Hey everybody, this is Chef Angela Michelle of Culinary Kisses, and I'm here to show you how to make hibiscus tea. But this is actually a beverage for entertaining. It's so delicious and so full of flavor, and it's actually healthy for you because hibiscus tea has been known to help lower your blood pressure, help with hypertension, help regulate your blood sugar. It's good for your liver. High in vitamin C. Oh my God, it's so full of antioxidants. So besides all that healthy stuff, it's absolutely delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So here are our ingredients. This is the ingredients table. So here we have dried hibiscus leaves or flowers. Yes, dried hibiscus flower. Here we have organic cane sugar. Here in the kettle we have hot water. Yeah. Lemon, lime, some fresh mint. Oh, it smells so good. And if you don't have access to the hibiscus flowers that's dried, feel free to use your favorite hibiscus tea in a tea bag and just keep it the same way you make hot tea. Okay, but for today's example, we are actually going to use the flowers. So let me get some water in here. Again, this is extremely hot. We just need to steep that. And as you notice, you're going to get a beautiful, vibrant color. The color is coming from the flowers, and it is all natural, obviously, right? So we're going to let that steep there. We're going to pour some sugar into our pitcher. Let me set this aside. We're going to pour some sugar into our pitcher. And again, I'm using organic cane sugar, so that's why it's brown and not white. You want to try and stay away from white products like sugar, like rice, anything white. You want to stay away from if you're trying to be more healthy. Now, how much sugar you put in here is up to you. I like about that much. That's enough for me, so that's all I'm going to put in there. Now I'm going to add some hot water to here. That's about enough. I'm just adding enough hot water to cover the sugar, and I'm going to stir until those sugar crystals dissolve, okay, which isn't going to take long because I'm using hot water. All right, so let's see. How's that looking? There's a few more in there. Here, I'll come up close so you can see. See that? And that's looking pretty good, right? Okay. So we're also going to add some lemon, some lime, and some mint to this. All right, so I'm going to set that aside. While our tea is continuing to steep, I'm going to cut our lemon and our lime. And all I'm going to do is just cut off the ends and do some slices. So I'm going to cut off this end and peel off the sticker, of course. Now the lemon and the lime is adding a little bit more flavor to it because you're getting the juice from the citrus, and it's also adding color to make it look cute, to make it look festive. Okay, you can cut yours on the cutting board. I'm just used to cutting mine like this. So all I'm doing is just inserting the knife and going around till I get to the other side of the first cut that I made. Now, this is a relatively small pitcher. I'm quite sure I'm going to have all this drink by the end of the day today. But you can get larger size and just make it for whatever quantity you want. This is even a good thing to put in like a punch bowl, like a big bowl, put it in there like that. That's also great too. All right, so I'm just poking out some of these seeds. This one's very, very seedy, and I don't want all of those seeds in there. I'm also going to pick off, let's set this aside because I didn't use it all. I'm going to pick off some mint leaves. Now, I like a lot of mint in mine, so I'm going to add quite a few leaves here. That looks to be about, well, that's quite a few, but that's good. Good for me. Again, tailor make this to however you want. I have to smell it one more time. Yes, okay. So Our hibiscus leaves have been steeping for a minute, so now we're going to pour the liquid into here. And I have a strainer here. I'm just going to pour it right down the middle. You can let yours steep longer if you want. I'm going to press it. Make sure I got all of that out of there. There, just like that. How's it looking so far? Does it look okay? Look at that color. Like, you can't beat that. That's absolutely here. Take a closer look. Isn't that beautiful? God, it's so gorgeous. And it smells good too. It really does. All right, let's set that aside. Now, I'm going to add this to it. This is Sparkling Winter Sangria. Here, get a closer look. Which way is the camera? That way. I don't know which way the camera is. All right, there you go. Sparkling Winter Sangria. Non-alcoholic. All right. Woo. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. And we're going to add this without splashing it to our hibiscus tea. Now, I don't want to overflow it because I'll end up getting tea all over the place. All right. That's good right there. All right, so I'm gonna set that aside. Now I want to put some ice on top of here because remember when we steeped, we used hot water. All right, so I'm just gonna put some ice right down on top of here like this. Oh, look at that fizz. I love that. I don't know why I do, but I do. There we go. That looks like a good amount, right? Now we're gonna add our lemon. Actually, I'm gonna cut this in half. That was a big lemon. Let's do 2 lemons. And let's do 2 limes. Ah, my lime. There we go. There we go. Do 2 limes. And then, like I said, I love mint, so I'm going to put all of that mint in there. Give it a nice stir. There. And there you have it. This is your holiday hibiscus tea, which is great for you, and it also tastes delicious. Now, just because I can't wait, I'm going to drink a little bit now. Okay, hold on a second. Oh my God. Wait, one more. Okay. That's good. Sorry, I had to get some right then. Okay, your holiday hibiscus tea. Easy, delicious, takes less than 5 minutes to make. Okay? Serve this and trust me, everybody will be asking for this every time we have a holiday celebration because I know because it happens to me. It's like, oh yeah, can you bring some hibiscus tea? So make sure you make it. It's good, it's tasty, it's delicious, and it also has a lot of health benefits. So you kind of get some stuff in and keep it moving on. Okay? Stay tuned because we're going to be giving you some holiday tips and tricks for the next few days leading up to Thanksgiving. So every day at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we will give you these quick 20 to 30 minute tidbits on different things that you can do to make your holidays more entertaining, but a little bit different and outside the box. For example, I'm going to show you how to make homemade croutons in a homemade ranch salad dressing that has reduced fat but not reduced flavor. Another thing I'm going to do is show you how to make cranberry sauce from scratch. You won't believe how easy it is. And once you taste it, you won't do the canned stuff anymore. It's so easy to make and so quick and so delicious. And more stuff. So make sure you stay tuned, okay? This is Chef Angela Michelle from Culinary Kisses live on Facebook. All right, see you guys in a few hours. Make sure you come back. Oh, and if you want to know more about what we're doing and what we have going on, just go to our website. Everything's posted there. It is culinarykisses.com. We have a 5-day detox book. We have different classes going on. We have live, virtual, interactive, and real-time cooking classes, which is absolutely fab. I'm going to be adding some more too. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in a few hours. Bye-bye.